Hello and welcome back to the MGS channel. Today's video on is what do I do when I have $1,000. First, this is $10. This is a stack of 1,000. That's what it looks like. It's $1,000. And we'll count it out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we got $100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Or to count faster, you could just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens make 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we need 200 more. So what we're going to do is going to move that up there like that. Up there like that. We'll leave that one there. We'll put that one right here, and then we're going to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. So, we have $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's the thing. I could put this in the bank and get about a penny, okay, in a year. But I'm going to show you how with $1,000 how you can make over $10 a month on this amount of money. And I'll show you exactly how to do it. I mean, that looks like beautiful money. Look at that. That's $1,000. But what it is if you put it in the bank, you're not going to make any money. If I put it under my pillow, I'm not going to make any money. Most people nowadays, they don't want to save. They want to spend it every day. You want to invest this because inflation. So if you put this in the bank and you never touch it, every year you can see about $20 go away. $20 go away, and you're losing money. You want to make money off of this. So I am going to show you how to do that. Alrighty. Okay, everybody. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to spend $1,000 to make over $12 a month. So, first ticker. Let me remove this one. And this is exactly like it says, TD Ameritrade Income Estimator. So what I'm going to do is show you what I'm going to spend my money on. The first one is going to be, we go over here, ARR, and there's the name of it so you can see it. And what I'm going to do is buy, well, first I'll show you how much one is. It is $7.56, and a year you get back $1.20. So that's about 10 cents a month. So what I'm going to do with this stock here, I'm going to buy myself 20 of them. Whoops, I put it in the wrong spot. I'm going to buy myself 20. And that's going to come out to about $151.20, $24 a month. And what that gives you is $2 back on each one. Okay, so the next one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy A, G, and C. I'm going to buy myself 20 of them, and that's going to come out to $244.60, $28.80 a year, and that gives me back $2.40. Not too bad. More than you'll ever make in a bank. Okay, so we did ARR, AGNC. I'm going to also buy CLM, and we're going to buy 20. And what that's going to do is it's going to cost me $218.60, but it's going to give me $43.39 back a year, and each month I'll get $3.62. Now the reason I like to buy different stocks is because you never know if a company's going out of business, so you want to spread the wealth. I also am going to buy my favorite one, ORC. But the thing is I'm going to actually buy myself 102 just because I love this company. And buying 102, it's going to cost me $318.24. It's going to give me back 55 cents, 0.8 back a year, and that is $4.59. So I just want to show you on this one, the reason I buy those many is because I want ORC to always give me a dividend. And what I mean is, as you can see again, it's $4.59, and the price is for one is $3.12 at 0.54 a year. So out of every one, it will give me back one. So let's go back to that again, and again that's 318. And it's every month it's going to pay for itself, and that's what I say in a lot of my videos. So, but I also love MPLX, but it only pays quarterly, and I already own some, but I do like to keep buying it because I'm only going to invest $65.90. It's going to give me $5.64 back a year because I'm only buying 2 of them, and it's going to be about $1.41 back a year. So what I want to do is show you how much I'll be getting back a month. So spending $1,000. So with MPLX, we're going to put again ARR. And that's going to be, again, like I said, only 20 of them. And there you go, there's 2, so I'm spreading the money, and I'm already at $217, and it's $2 a year. With the one that pays quarterly, it's $341 on August. So again, we have my favorite ORC. Again, like I said, we're going to buy 102. Okay, now you're seeing $6. We're up to $6 a month. The one that pays quarterly is going to give us $8. So that's starting to look good. Again, We have A, G, and C. And what that is I'm going to buy 20. We're up to $779.94. That's roughly $113.52 back a year. And as you see, bump, $8.99, 10 on the one that pays quarterly, so I'm getting $10.40. So I'll go back here and add I said that I was going to invest in, okay, CLM again, and I only said 20, so we're going to go down here. We're only going to say 20. So as you can see, I am investing in 5 stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My total is going to be $998.54. And back a year, I will get approximately $156.91 back on that a year. I would say that's pretty decent. And look at that, $12.61 back. And if you reinvest it, it will go up. But on August, the one where the quarterly is, you're looking at $14.02 if you wanted to take your money. So you're getting a great return on a lousy $1,000, where you can't really make that anywhere else. So I would say investing is really great. And like I say again, TD Ameritrade is fantastic because it has this to where you can see where you want to diversify your money. And like I said, this is how I spread it, and this is how I build my wealth. And I've been doing this for years, so as you can expect, I get paid very well on stocks. And I'm going to show you one thing. I don't really want to put my business exactly out there, but I try to always have at least 1,000 stocks in my portfolio. So I'm going to show you what 1,000 makes if you're investing the way I do. So just by owning these stocks here of what I have, and this is just I'm just letting you know a little bit, but okay, to invest and have all these right here, 1,000 in each is $66,790. That gives me back $8,169.60 a year just on those stocks. Okay, and like I say, I buy. So there you go. But here's a month if you own that much. It doesn't look like a lot, but this is the number you're looking at. And here you go. That's $445 back a month, $445 back a month. So, you know, it doesn't take a lot of money. And I'll tell you, most of these I didn't even buy. They actually paid for themselves, and I just let it keep going back and back and back. So there you go. So again, I say again, if you want to make money every month and have a good career and not have to work your butt off, this is the best way to go. So there you go. I want to say thank you for coming. This is how I spend my money. This is how I invest to make more money. So if you've been following my channel, this is about what I make every month and more. You know what I mean? When I first started out. So if you like money like I do, this is the best way to go. Make it rain!